Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. If you haven't checked out any of our videos before, do have a little look on our channel at some of the different bits and pieces we do here, from our hydro dipping and styling to repairs and paintwork. But in with us for today we have a Triumph Bonneville 900, and this is in for a few bits and pieces which we'll go through in a second. So we'll have a little look around the bike and go through all the bits and pieces we're going to be doing to this. A little bit of styling to this one, so we'll have a little look. Here we are with Adam.
How we doing?
Well, good pal. Right. So Ad's going to run through the little bits we're doing to this one.
Yeah, so basically we're going to strip the petrol tank off, drain it all down, prep it up, and it's going to be painted in this lovely black, the slightly gold fleck to it. Looks nice in the sun. Then we're going to be doing the front mudguard in the same colour.
Yeah, we'll come down, so we've got front mudguard.
Also on the tank here, we're, let's move this slightly, we're doing the decals to match his helmet here. A bit of ivory, a bit of gold going into the decals. Extreme signs are helping us out with that.
I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, and then we've got the two last panels which sit just here, one either side, which we've already removed and start prepping.
There we go, so they're already, like I say, being prepped, ready to go in a matte black, I think. Yeah. Superb.
Lovely bike.
Can look rather smart.
Matches helmet.
So we go a little look around the bike, look. Ad's going to get his leg back over.
Hey.
There we go, so stay tuned for this one. Should be a good one, a little bit different to some of the bits we've done recently. So stay tuned for this. A big thanks to James Hanks for trusting us to do these extra bits onto his motorcycle. We'll look rather smart at the end, and a nice bit of extra customising to make it individual to himself. So as always, please do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and as always, we'll get cracking, get started with doing the bits to the bike. Thanks very much. Right, so we're now about to start stripping all the bits off this. So Peter's got the tools all ready just down the bottom there. So we fuel tank off and drain the fuel, front mudguard. The other side panels are already off and prepped. So yeah, we'll crack on with getting all the bits stripped off this. Here we go. Right, so bits are all stripped off the bike. Peter's got on that nicely.
Pete's high as a kite.
Pete's high as a kite from the petrol. So there we go, all the bits are now off. Pete, I think it's got the fuel tank over here. Start getting the old fuel tank prepped. There we go. Yeah, there's a bit fuely in it, mate.
Get under here as well, just got the little rust spots. We get the paint wrapped around here. Get that rust out. Lovely.
It's going to look nice in that more individual colour, and personal decals will look rather smart. Don't forget to check out some of the other styling or particularly hydro dipping bits we've done to some motorbike parts. I'll put the link above right now so you can have a little look at that at some point. Check out some of the other ones we've done, and well, we'll leave Pete cracking on getting this one all ready for paintwork. Right, what are we doing, Pete? Tell us.
I've just de-aged this tank down a little bit. Removed the stickers, or Fraser has, should I say.
Fraser's removed the stickers.
He has. Just de-aged this back.
With his teeth?
Back. Yeah. Just scotching out the edges really, and getting it ready for paint.
Lovely. It's all in the prep, isn't it, Pete?
Of course it is, mate. It's got to be good when it's going to go pink.
Yep. bright pink. Right, so the fuel tank and the front mudguard are now in the booth with Fraser behind me. Hello. Hello, pal, hello. They've both been primered. There's been a few minor repairs carried out to the underside of the Fraser.
Yes,
of the fuel tank. Has it cut a little bit of corrosion on it?
There was a little bit of corrosion around some of the clips, but it's all painted now, mate. There's no corrosion there anymore. Just looks lovely in black.
Lovely, so black underneath. Now got the primer coat on the fuel tank. So that's now ready to be painted. And so's the mudguard. There we go. So Francois is pretty much ready to get the colour on. We'll start filming a bit of that in a moment. Right, okay, so we are now about to get the lacquer coat onto the two panels, the tank and the mudguard. After that, Fraser will be getting the two side panels in, but they're going in a matte black. So he's going to get the nice gloss lacquer onto these two parts. Then once these are all dry, they'll be re-prepped. The petrol tank will be re-prepped, ready to have the decals. So it's got some one-off decals that we're having designed and done by Extreme Graphics, which are just down the road from us. They'll be applying them, and then we will be re-lacquering the whole fuel tank again to seal in the graphics. Don't forget, do check out some of our other videos we've done with the motorbike, so I'll put the link above now. So yeah, when you get a chance, check out them as well. See what you think. It's a really cool custom bike we've done that in actual fact has just won a prize at a custom bike show. Okay, to be fair, a lot of the work is done by the guy who's built the bike, Graham, but we've done all the paint and hydro dipping on that, so do check that one out as well. Right, we're getting to the booth and see how Fraser's doing with some lacquering. Right, so we're now doing the matte black two sections from the side of the motorbike. Fraser's got them in the booth, so we'll go and have a quick look at him prepping these and getting them into a matte black. So it'll be the colour and then the matte lacquer as well. Let's have a look. Hello, Francois.
Hello, mate.
Just, would you like to explain what you are now doing, pal?
That's not really.
For the audience?
But just for you.
Just for me?
Or for you and all my fans, I suppose.
I'm definitely a #1 fan.
So,
What are we doing, pal?
that's all been painted. I'm now flattening it all back and keying it all up again, ready to have some stickers fitted onto it. Ooh, stickers. Ooh.
Nice.
And then
So these are
lacquer it, seal it all in.
lovely.
That'll just be lovely.
So these are the decals that the customer has sort of come up with a little bit himself, isn't he? Colour-wise, to go with his. I think it's to go with Jim's helmet, from what I gather.
You're the man to know.
He does. Jim does like things to match his helmet. So it should look rather smart, I'm sure.
I'm sure it will, mate.
All decals done by Extreme Graphics,
Yeah. So
just down from us,
just down there.
just behind me,
Just
behind me.
that way, yeah. Just down there, mate.
Lovely. Right, okay, so we now have the tank into the booth. It has now got the decal on with in the cream stripe across the tank, and then with the Triumph text across the sides. This is all being done by the guys at Extreme Graphics on our estate, so anything like this you're after, either give us a shout or them. I'll put the link in the details below. So we'll give you a little look at the tank before it is lacquered, just to give you that final look. Then Francois will be coming in to give some to lay down some lacquer. See what you think. Don't forget, anything like this, do give us a shout at AW Smart Repairs, Black Stag Styling. Thank you very much. Here we go. So it's all re-prepped. So it's already been painted and lacquered, as you know. It's all now re-prepped, decal across it. So the customer has chosen this design and the colour and the text. There we go, Triumph on there. So it's now all ready to have its final lacquer coat, that Fraser is now about to come in and do. And then of course it'll be flat and polish it, get it onto the bike. Lovely doubly. Right, here we are. So this is the tank after it has had its lacquer coat done. So the decals are all now lacquered onto the tank. It's had a good few coats of lacquer onto this. So the next stage will be flatten and polishing it, get rid of any little imperfections, and then get it back onto the motorbike. Well, get it all fitted up and then back onto the bike. Along with the other bits and pieces of trims, we'll get this all fitted back up, and then it will be all ready for the customer. Hopefully he's going to be really chuffed with this. Does look really smart in his personally chose colour, which is like a black with a very slight gold fleck to it, and then the decal that he's sort of come up with colour wise as well. So yeah, don't forget, give us a shout at Black Stag Styling, AW Smart Repairs, if we can help with anything like this, motorbike styling, cars, anything, just give us a shout. We'll be happy to help. Thanks very much. Here we go, now into the final stage, isn't we, Francois?
The home stretch, as we call it in the business. We don't call it that.
Oh, sorry, I missed you out there. Go on, sorry.
I just saying nobody calls it that.
Well, we do, mate. We do.
No.
The home stretch. A little bit of final polishing, mate.
Yes, boss. We like to flat and polish to make it look extra good.
Probably not. That does look rather good, so I don't think it's a lot of polishing to do there, is there?
No, there's literally 3 or 4 little bits, and then that is it.
Like to make it perfect, don't we?
We do, mate, just like me. Absolutely perfect.
You know it, pal. Zooming on a little bit of your hand action there.
It's all in the wrist, you know. You just sometimes need a...
Nice, nice, like your style. Like your style. Superb. We'll let you crack on, mate.
Thank you very much.
Right, let's give it a little... Oh, a little bit loose there, Pete.
No, that's always how it goes. It's all
A little bit of movement on these Triumphs. So we've got the little panels on and the matte black. There we go. Full fuel tank all refueled. Give it a go, mate.
Give it a go.
Give it a go, sir.
Right.
Got that kill switch on.
Where's the other?
Clutch him. There we go. Lovely. Superb, sir. Right, time to get it outside, give it a little clean and get it ready, as always, to go back to the customer. Lovely. Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our channel at Black Stag Styling and AW Smart Repairs. So we have now finished the Triumph motorcycle. So as you'll know, this has been in with us for some extra little custom work. So we have done the front mudguard, has been off, prepped and painted in the chosen colour by the customer. We've also done the side panels, they've been off, prepped and done in a matte black. But the most important part we have done to this is the fuel tank. So as you'll have seen, the fuel tank has been off, fully stripped, sanded right back, done in the custom colour that the customer has chosen, which is a really lovely, almost black with a lovely sort of slightly gold fleck to it. We've then lacquered that. It's then been down to Extreme Graphics, who have done the custom decal to go across the tank with the Triumph text in it. They've applied that, then come back to us to be re-lacquered in a gloss lacquer, machine polished and fitted back onto the bike. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I'm going to give you a view around the motorcycle just to finish in a moment, but thanks as always for checking out our channel. Please don't forget, do like and subscribe, turn on your notifications because we have another motorcycle, another Triumph that we're doing at the moment. That'll be on the channel very soon, lots of other things as well. So again, thanks as always, stay safe and we'll catch you again soon. Thanks for watching.